Have you ever wondered why other social medias have hashtags and not YouTube? Well, you're wrong, because YouTube does have hashtags. You just don't know how to properly use them. So if you want to use hashtags in YouTube, then stick around, because in this video I will teach you how to use hashtags properly and how to properly write them. Stay tuned. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to edit, click on edit video, just whatever video you want to add hashtags. Then you go down to your description, and you can add the hashtags anywhere you want, but what I like to do, and what I'd say is the best location to put your hashtags, is at the absolute end. I did put some channel tags or whatever tags in the absolute bottom, but you don't have to do that. But what I like to do is keep a completely different dedicated section for hashtags. So you can see like this, I added hashtag YouTube success, hashtag Enacaus, hashtag gaming. If I want, I can change it. I can change YouTube success to YouTube education, because that's where my channel is headed right now. As you can see, I'm making YouTube education videos, not YouTube success videos anymore. Then you can click save, and remember, the first three tags, the first three hashtags will be the ones that will appear on the video. So if I view on YouTube right now, you'll see that all right, my stupid face right here. Let me pause that. All right. So as you can see. Oh yeah, so what you don't want to do is use the hashtag emoji. So I'm gonna get rid of the hashtag emoji, because I was an idiot back then. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Alright, and I'm gonna save. So I'm gonna view on YouTube again. And there you go. The first three hashtags are showing on above the title. Any more hashtags than that will appear in the description for viewers, but the ones after your third hashtag won't appear. So as you can see, hashtag YouTube tips isn't appearing. Why? Because I don't know, YouTube just doesn't like too much data. Other than that, there's nothing much complicated about this. If you have any questions, if you're having any problems with your description or anything, make sure to ask in the comments below. You can ask anyone. You can ask me. You can go to my discussion page. Any questions are allowed. It doesn't really have to be related to this video. If you have any questions about my other videos, you can ask it right now here in the not the description, in the comment section. And yeah. Peace out.